In trading, education isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing investment in yourself. Formal courses, webinars, and certifications provide a strong foundation, especially for understanding core concepts like technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and risk management. Books are timeless resources. Classics like Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas or Reminiscences of a Stock Operator offer not only strategy but insights into the psychology of trading. Newer books can keep you current with evolving techniques like algorithmic trading or options strategies. Don't overlook industry webinars and seminars. These often feature seasoned traders and analysts sharing current market insights and strategy breakdowns. It's a chance to stay updated and hear perspectives you might not get from textbooks. Most importantly, approach education with intentionality. Focus on what aligns with your trading goals, whether that's swing trading, day trading, or long-term investing. The more relevant the education, the quicker you'll see it pay off in your decision-making and results. As the markets change, so should your learning focus. Education is your edge, and in this business, the sharper your edge, the more consistent your performance. Want to learn more? Click the link in description.